Hello everyone, how are you guys? Ayun, nagpa-coffee ako dito guys. Let's have coffee guys. Ayun, parang morning lang talaga guys. Diba? May naiwan pa man kanina umaga guys. So yun, kainin tapos isawsaw. Nilinis sa kape. Sarap. Kumusta kayong lahat guys? Kumustang araw nyo dyan? I hope everyone is okay. Everything and feel good. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Keep safe everyone. Maraming salamat and God bless us. Thank you so much guys. God bless us. Love you all. See you in next.